Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of our trip to Mexico, and I am right now heading to what looks like a perfect mini ramp, half pipe type thing in Guadalajara. We're going to be meeting everyone there, skating there for a bit, and then heading to what I believe is a ranch, like a backyard skate park ranch, someone's house that they built. So not really sure what that looks like, but sounds interesting. And yeah, pretty early, so psyched to get the legs moving, get the blood flowing, and see what the day brings. Good morning.
Do you speak Spanish?
Poquito.
Okay. I'm Luigi's friend.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Salvador.
Salvador?
Yeah, Chava.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
What's up, man?
You skate here a lot? How's it going?
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Fine. Nice to meet you, bro.
What's your name?
Alvaro.
Alvaro, Chad.
Yes. We're from the first generation of skaters.
Oh, really?
Down here in Guadalajara.
Yes.
How old are you guys, if you don't mind me asking?
60.
60?
Yeah.
55.
55?
Yes.
Damn. So did you guys take a break in between, or
30 years.
30 years off?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. So would you quit when you were like 25, 30?
24.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you want to do some skating?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. That's incredible. So you just screwed that on there yourself?
Yeah.
Not that big, like to do your tricks, but a little bit difficult. More
Yeah.
difficult, yeah.
What about, it's like 5 feet?
Yeah, it's like, oh yeah, I guess 5 feet.
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Let's do it. Good? Thank you. Appreciate that.
Up there,
Yeah.
just go like nothing. And we were saying that, well, yeah, 34 years. Yeah,
34
wow,
years
that's
is
why.
very easy. Whatever they have 34 years can do it, yes. But 60?
60s, yeah.
48?
That's next level. Actually, I had a question for you.
Yes.
I was to say, what inspired you to get back into skateboarding?
What?
What made you get back into
All right.
skateboarding?
Really, the truth is that my friend gave me a call. Chava, he gave me a call like, it's been 30 years since we don't skate. How about it? Should we go skating? And I go, let's do it.
Really?
All right, that's all, yes. Just for fun.
And so you guys used to skate back when you were younger?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like some 40 years ago, we were in the Skatepark, Skatepistas del Sol team.
Okay.
The first skate parks in Guadalajara, so we were there. We were the first team.
Wow.
And we were going around all Mexico in a tour, like in competitions.
Really?
Yes.
What year was that, do you think?
I think it's around the 80s.
80s?
Yes, 82
Wow.
or something. 83, yes.
And so skateboarding was new over here at the time?
Well, yes,
Okay.
it was new. The skate parks were new because
Yeah.
we do downhill that time
Okay.
and slalom.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like the kids.
Yeah.
The kids.
Yeah.
I was a national champion in slalom. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but I was a kid. As a kid, yeah.
Cool.
The category of kids.
Wow. That's you right there?
Yes.
Oh,
This one.
that's great.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What inspired you to start skating again?
Well, I think I never lose that the pleasure of doing it. I stopped skating in 1984 because I felt that I was too old to do it.
Yeah.
And I started doing, I started party,
Yeah.
alcohol,
Same here.
some drugs,
Yeah.
and I couldn't skate being high. So I rather, or I prefer, get high than skate.
Yeah.
And one day, my son, he asked me to take him to a skate park because his cousin was going to skate.
Yeah.
And I go, what? Are there any skate parks again?
Yeah.
When we start getting into the park, and I start seeing the whole of the bowl, my hands begin to sweat like, oh wow. And I get there, please, lend me your skateboard. And I put it to do a drop in.
Yeah.
And I go, no. 30 years after, no, it's not same. And I get down and start skating. It was about 10 years ago.
What's your name again?
Mateo.
Mateo.
Yeah.
So Mateo said what you were on Instagram.
Yeah. I saw you. Sorry.
Yeah, he saw my story on Instagram that I was at his local skate park and he showed up down to get a couple of tricks on film.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Alright. Hey Mateo. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah?
It's called Patinetos Mexico.
Okay.
These are some key holders
Oh, nice.
and stickers. Well, this is an old one, but I like it.
Oh yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. Alright guys, we are done at this spot. Now we are heading to grab some tacos and then heading to that skate park ranch. Okay, I think we might have just pulled up to the ranch. I mean, it just turned into a dirt road, so not really sure.
We're almost there.
Almost there?
Yeah, I stopped so you can see the agave.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
Yeah, this is for the tequila.
You just break it off?
They pour it on
Yeah.
and they take off all the spice.
Yeah. Oh, so it's at the bottom.
Yeah, it's like a pineapple.
Yeah, I thought that's what it was when we were driving. I was like, that has to be agave.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I stopped, so you
Yeah.
can watch it.
It's beautiful.
Okay, vámonos.
Thank you.
Buenas tardes, señor Don Sobar.
¿Qué onda?
Hola. How's it going, Chad? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Sobarin.
Sobarin. That's right. How's it going? So did you build this stuff?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So how long have you been skating for?
1988. Then I quit in 1994. Then I come back in 12, 13,
So how old are you now?
44.
44. Nice. How's your body feel?
I'm taking the CBD.
Oh yeah. Does that help?
It's good. Yeah, it's good for my knees.
I gotta try that. Never tried it.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful place.
Thank you.
Yeah. How's it going? What's your name? Hola, me llamo Chad. ¿Cómo se llama?
Christian.
Nice to meet you. This place is incredible. It's got perfect mini ramp. He's built cement quarter pipes all over the place. Got yeah. Nice metal mini ramp that's connected to the cement right here. That's incredible. You mess around with that vert ramp? Nah, a little bit. All right, and we got this metal vert ramp right here. Looking a little intimidating, to be honest with you. The coping kind of sticks out, but look at this view. This is unbelievable.
Christian, Sobarin, yo. That's a trainer. Yeah.
Genius. Such a good idea.
Yeah.
That's seriously such a good idea.
It is.
I've thought in my head about something like to help teach people to drop in forever, and I could never think of it. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, the quarter pipe of the barbecue?
Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible.
People is cooking here, and steak, and suddenly you can do a rock baking.
No way. Yeah, a little bit. A little crack.
Oh yeah.
We'll be alright though. That'll be good. Do you ollie?
No.
Okay. So you just have your feet on the nose already. Alright, I'll try. Wish me luck. Like he lives here or something.
It doesn't say.
When you
When I
quit,
hurt myself twice, I have this one, and the other one right here. Both were drunk, skating and drunk. So when I stopped it finally, was because I drove my truck from here to Guadalajara with my kids.
oh, really?
So
Yeah. Okay, so after that you were. It's coming. That was it. Alright, Sobarin said he's gonna try, I think it's a nose grab or a tail grab body varial over the coping. Yeah, I'd never try that in my life, but let's see if he can get it.
Well, you must have to try it.
Me?
Yeah, it looks like easy, isn't it?
It looks easy when he does it.
Yeah.
puppy. Can you feeble?
Bien, bien.
Me trajo la olla más chiquita.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys, that's it for today's session. Just want to give a huge thank to Sobarin for inviting us out to skate his ranch. And yeah, amazing session. Thanks to everyone met up with here in Mexico. And I'll see you guys in the next video.